Hello, I'm Wendy Gray with the Center for Student Success Office. I'm here to help you avoid some registration issues you may come across on your self-service student planner. To get to self-service, you're going to go to atlantic.edu and look for quick links. If you're using a laptop or a desktop computer, it'll be the top right. Scroll down till you see self-service and select self-service. From here, you'll see that there's an option for self-service login, as well as self-service frequently asked questions that you can click on in case you forgot how to log in, if you forgot your password. All right, we are going to pick the self-service login. You'll enter your username and your password and prove you're not a robot. And when you sign in, you're going to select Student Planning on your self-service account. This will show you two options: view your progress, and option 2, plan your degree and register or drop classes. We're going to look at view your progress. When you log in and you go to view your progress, you will see a general overview or at a glance of your account. This will show you your faculty advisor, your student services advisor or navigator, and you can see if there's any holds on your account. Holds may be placed on a student's account for a number of reasons, and they aren't always a bad thing. For example, athletics or NJ Star students may have holds on their accounts. This is to ensure that they meet with a counselor or their NJ Stars advisor or navigator or athletics navigator to make sure that they are maintaining program eligibility so they don't lose out on the option to play sports or to take advantage of the NJ Star scholarship. If you see a hold or a notation of a hold, typically it will tell you what the issue is and who to contact. In this case, we can see it's a business office hold. This must mean that there is a balance that is due, and you will need to take care of that balance before you can register again. If you have a balance, you can look at this, looks like a bank building, and you can check to see your account summary to see what the balance is, or you can contact the number shown on the screen. Enrollment Services often has a hold on your account if they need an updated address, if we need a copy of your social security card, if there's missing immunization records, and these are things that we're required to have. Counseling, if you're on an academic or a financial aid appeal, you may have a hold limiting you to not register or drop or withdraw from classes without speaking with your counselor to make sure that you don't jeopardize your financial aid appeal or your academic appeal, and that you're staying within the requirements of that appeal. There are other issues you may run across when you're trying to register that aren't holds. In this case, a student is trying to register for Math 122. However, they do not have the correct prerequisite. In this case, the Math 074 or Math 099 class must be taken with a C or higher, or the student must place a college level math. In this case, the student does not have the prerequisite, so they would have to take Math 074 or 099 or retest to see if they place into college level math. In this case, the student has selected intermediate accounting, but has not selected a section. You cannot register for a course without a section. You can plan it. So I could plan Accounting 230, and I could put it whatever semester I choose to take it. It's not holding a seat, and it's just I think I want to take this class during this semester type of scenario. In this case, this student would have to have the prerequisites of Accounting 130 and 131 and computers in order to register. If you have any other questions, please contact an advisor or a counselor. get to these on our website under Student Life, Academic Advising, or Counseling. Thank you.